Hi friends, we are with a very interesting person today and this is Dr. Vernekar from the Bharati Vidyapeeth, a very dynamic personality that I have come across in the segment of education. And today we had a very lovely concept where Dr. Vernekar organized the program, very felicitated more than 70 entrepreneurs, 80 entrepreneurs, and the entire management school students were also there to witness the event. And he had also invited a few industry people from the industry. I was lucky to be one of them who spoke to the students to encourage them and to motivate them.
Excellent.
Dr. Vernekar, I think India needs a lot of Dr. Vernekars who can do such novel concepts, bring the industry people in touch with the aspiring entrepreneurs of the institution so that India will grow. So what are your thoughts behind this initiative?
I've been in this field for the last 28 years. I've been working for Bharati Vidyapeeth for the last 28 years. And what I've observed is the students need to get this such type of exposure because what happens is the bookish knowledge is not going to help them. Unless we have such entrepreneurial and then industry institute partnership summit, that is another unique event that we organized. Last year we had 150 corporates. The intention behind this is to have an interaction between these entrepreneurs and the industrialists or the corporate managers with the students, and when they interact with the students, they act as the source of inspiration, source of knowledge, and students have a great learning experience with them. And I have seen when the students interact with you, now your speech was so appreciated. I have seen many of the entrepreneurs while receiving memento at your hands, they were appreciating and they said excellent speech. So when entrepreneurs or those who are successful, they got encouraged and inspired. Why not students? I have seen many students approaching you and other entrepreneurs to get the ideas, and that is how we have to do.
Dr. Vernekar is an educationist running entrepreneurship programs in these institutions of the famous Bharati Vidyapeeth. I want to ask him, he has an entrepreneurship mindset. So what still holds him back? And does he have a strong urge to get into entrepreneurship?
Let me tell you, entrepreneurs will be successful only when there are entrepreneurs.
Okay.
So I'm an entrepreneur. So I thought as an entrepreneur I help my organization grow. And I wish to develop, because as an entrepreneur, if we do our bit, then definitely we can develop a lot of entrepreneurs.
Fantastic. This is also a society leadership example in front of you. Dr. Vernekar, who is creating innumerable number of entrepreneurs for the country, for India. I'm sure we need more of such people. What, according to you, Dr. Vernekar, is the right leadership?
A leader is one who can predict the problem, because the problem becomes an before the problem becomes an emergency, the leader must be able to, and leader must have IQ, the best IQ, best EQ, that is emotional quotient, the best SQ, I would say spiritual quotient, and the last but not the least, the competition quotient. That is what is very important for a leader, because only IQ will not help him. His ability to get along with others, ability to foresee the future. That is, and I have learned many things from my father. In fact, I belong to an entrepreneurial family.
Okay.
My father is an entrepreneur. It was he who, from Goa, he came to Solapur. Economically, we were not that good, and he started his business from scratch. And today, Vernekar is a big name in Solapur.
Fantastic.
When it comes to jewelry business. My brother is looking after the business. We have named that Vernekar Jewelers. My elder brother, Mr. Vijay, and my younger brother, Pradeep, they are looking after these shops. And they are well-established names in their business.
What is the one inspiring thought that you will give to young entrepreneurs?
Young entrepreneurs, I will just simply tell them, if there's a will, there's a way. If you decide and if you have the passion that I will do this, you will definitely do this. Thank you.
And one good advice to established entrepreneurs?
Established entrepreneurs, as you rightly said in your speech, I am very much impressed, because what entrepreneurs will have to do today is they have to do things better, faster, cheaper, and beneficial to the whole society and the country. I remember what you said. Today, $1 is 60 rupees. We want these entrepreneurs to make 1 rupee is equal to $60.
Fantastic.
So that is what I would like to have it.
Fantastic. This is the magnetic and a fantastic personality. Dr. Vernekar, will be seeing more of him very soon and for sure. This is Agnello Rajesh in Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune. Bye for now.